Hello everyone, welcome back to the GreenecoStyle YouTube channel. Oh wow, what's this on my face? Dust and fluff. Okay, welcome back to the GreenecoStyle YouTube channel. My name is Raylene, and I help people live a sustainable lifestyle. In this video, we are going to be taking in your pair of pants. So maybe you lost some weight, or maybe you bought these pants. You're like, oh man, they're so good. I can just wear a belt with it. But the belt is like even not as good because it's like wrinkling up the pants kind of thing, right? So we're gonna do this the right way. We're gonna just take in your pants. It's pretty easy enough. Just on a normal pair of pants with like belt loops like that. That's what we're doing here. What you need in this video are your pants that need taking in, that need that alteration. You need some snips. Oh, you need some snips here. Measuring tape or ruler, whatever you have, is all good. Thread to match your fabric there. A stitch ripper. And tailor's chalk or pencil. Whatever you have is good enough. Just something to mark your pants, you know? You're gonna need some pins. If you have a serger, that's great. I'm gonna use my serger when I take in these pants, but you don't have to. We can just like press the seam down and then just like stitch the top. Anybody can take in their pair of pants or let it out without a serger. And yeah, okay, let's go. Step one is you're gonna wanna flip your pants inside out. Step two, now that your pants are flipped inside out, you wanna try them on. And as you can see here, I did not do that, but it's easier for you guys to do that so that you can mark with your tailor's chalk or pencil how much you'll need to take in. Step three, take your measuring tape and mark on your pants there how much you need to take them in. And then once you take them off, then you're gonna want to mark that measurement on the inside, on the center back of your pants there, because that's where we're gonna take them in. Okay, step four is optional. You can pin your pants together in place now as you are going to the sewing machine where you're going to stitch down your pants to take them in. This is quite important since most people don't have sergers, and I'm not going to use a serger in this tutorial either. So very important, we actually want to stitch rip the center back belt loop out of your pants before you tighten it and take in your pants on the back there, because that's just going to be very bulgy later on. So before you stitch anything, taking it in tighter, you're going to want to stitch rip that belt loop out of your pants. You can start with your back stitch at the waistline at the top of your pants there, and then you're just going to want to follow that chalk line all the way down, making sure you backstitch on both sides when you start and finish your stitch lines. Okay, step 8, now that you've taken in your pants, we do have like a bit of a flap or extra fabric there that will be inside your pants. And you can cut that away and then like serge or zigzag the edges, but we are actually just going to press that flat open there. Going from the outside of your pants, you're gonna stitch the top stitch there of your waistline and the bottom stitch of that waistline. And of course, lastly, always clip your threads so everything is neat and tidy. And there you have it. I noticed that there was another seam line on the back of my pants there, so I kind of took advantage of it, and I also went in and stitched right on top of that to make that seam that we just took in to be even flatter. So yeah, if there's anything else that you can do in that way to make it more flat, or going vertically up and down the center seam line, that could work too. But yeah, your pants are taken in, they fit very well. There you have it, my friends and family. Your pants are I actually went back in and stitch ripped all of the belt loops and then just replaced them with this grayish black kind of belt loop color, because I realized that when I wore these pants and I wanted to put a belt on still just for like just for style, it was kind of weird. It didn't fit on very well because there was no more center back belt loop. So now I have all my belt loops back on and it just looks a little more funky because it's a different color. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. I guess it was helpful. I hope it was, if you've made it this far. And you have made your pants fit you, taking it in. So thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you like this video and it was helpful. Ride the wave. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay hydrated.